Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Gadget Hunger. Today, we are diving into the latest offering from Oppo, the Oppo A60. This smartphone has been creating quite a buzz in the market, and we are here to give you the lowdown on all its exciting features. Now, before we jump into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and updates. Oppo A60 has been launched in Vietnam as the company's latest entry in its series of smartphones. Oppo A60 price is set at VND 5,490,000, roughly 18,060 rupees, for the 8GB plus 128GB RAM and storage model, while the 8GB plus 256GB variant is priced at VND 6,490,000, roughly 21,360 rupees. The handset is available in midnight purple and ripple blue colorways and is already available for purchase in Vietnam via online retailers the Gioi The Dong and Dien Mai XANH. There's currently no word from the company on whether the handset will arrive in other regions, including India. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Oppo A60 boasts a sleek and premium design that feels great in the hand. With its slim profile and curved edges, it's definitely a head-turner. This 7.68mm ultra-slim body slides easily into almost any pocket and won't ruin your silhouette with unsightly bulges. High-end looks pair with a smooth, comfortable grip. When it comes to phone fashion, thin is definitely in. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Oppo A60 features a 6.67-inch HD+, 720x1604 pixels LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for watching your favorite movies or playing games on the go. When it comes to performance, the Oppo A60 doesn't disappoint. Powered by a powerful octa-core Snapdragon 680 chip, paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The company has equipped this handset with up to 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. This smartphone ensures smooth multitasking and lag-free performance, even when running multiple apps simultaneously. Now, let's talk about one of the most important features of any smartphone: the camera. The Oppo A60 has a 50-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization (OIS). It also has an unspecified 2-megapixel secondary camera with an f2.4 aperture that might be used to gather depth information. Meanwhile, the phone has an 8-megapixel selfie camera on the front, housed in a center-aligned hole punch cutout, allowing you to capture stunning photos in any scenario. And finally, let's talk about battery life. The Oppo A60 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that will easily last you through a full day of heavy usage. Plus, with support for fast charging of 45W, you can quickly top up your battery when you're running low. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, GPS, AGPS, a USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm audio jack. Sensors on board include a magnetometer, accelerometer, light sensor, and proximity sensor. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for biometric authentication. It measures 165.71 x 76.02 x 7.68 mm and weighs around 186 g according to the company. So, there you have it, a closer look at the Oppo A60. With its sleek design, stunning display, powerful performance, and impressive camera capabilities, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new smartphone. What are your thoughts on the Oppo A60? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care.